Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, pension disruption 323. When we declare our income, we have a paper to fill whereby we can say, are you going to send these 0.3 or 0.5 to the Catholic religion, or are you going to send it somewhere else, and then you must cross it. Now, how about your pension? Could we say, do you want to get your pension stolen by another, for example, government employee that retires with 60 years, whilst you have to retire with 67? Do you want to give your pension today to someone else? Or do you want to keep it in MicroStrategy and Bitcoin? Please, why don't you ask us, the Justice Department, because sending our pension to someone else, really, that's theft. Of course, in order to balance this, have the break-even point, meeting point, we need to have, let's say, 3 out of 4 immigrants getting the jobs in Spain. This is happening today. So this is really the beautiful culture of the Northern European social democrat countries, which are really an example to follow, because now 3 out of 4 jobs are covered by immigrants, and they're no longer anymore Northern European countries, because they are northern. Yes, they are very cold today indeed, and very, let's say, not smiley countries to live in. But now they're just like granting countries. They have to give grants to all these immigrants. Yes, indeed. And there's no longer Northern Europeans living there. Well, it's just a minority, which is the same thing that is going to happen in Spain, for example. The question is, are we allowed to mark, like, I want my pension for myself? I'd rather bet in a Bitcoin or MicroStrategy than giving it to someone else, which is a theft. Isn't that right? Thank you. Bye.